Today we will be looking at an advanced testing of the Donchian trend indicator. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of trading indicators and strategies here on this channel, and I am constantly testing more. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with custom indicators. We have an amazing community on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader, and you will get access to our custom indicators as well as the spreadsheets of hundreds of tested indicators and strategies when you become a Patreon member. So even if this strategy isn't great, we have you covered. Links below in the description. Alright, as I said, today we will be looking at an advanced testing of the Donchian trend indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 81 different strategies. We've tested a total of 884 indicators, and we've tested a total of 85 indicators in the advanced testing stage. If you are interested in a full list of these indicators and strategies along with their win rates, we've compiled all that information into spreadsheets, which you will get when you become a patron of the channel. Now keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Alright, as I said, today we are looking at an advanced testing of the Donchian trend indicator. And the Donchian trend is just a single line here, kind of like the super trend indicator. When the line turns green, that is a signal to go long. When the line turns red, that is a signal to go short. That's how we tested it in the original testing. That's how we tested it here in the advanced testing. Now, in the original testing, it was able to achieve a 71% win rate with 7 trades in the 1 year's time. And so we did adjust the time frame down to an 8-hour time frame, and we adjusted the stop and take profit like you see here on screen. Now, before we take a look at what this was able to achieve in the advanced testing, if you would please give this video a thumbs up. Even if it doesn't meet or maintain the 60% criteria, please don't give it a thumbs down. We want to keep YouTube happy, and YouTube likes when we get thumbs ups on the videos. It helps it get out to more people. Also, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the advanced testing. So in the 50 trade test, we got 26 winning trades and 24 losing trades. It's going to put us at a 52% win rate. And so that's not going to maintain that 60% criteria that we are looking for, unfortunately. Now, if you're looking for a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the strategy that we've developed here on the channel. I'll put a thumbnail of it up on screen right now, and I'll also link to it at the end of this video. I'll link to the video that we did on that strategy. It'll have the same thumbnail pop up on the screen there that you can click on. It's a proven profitable trading strategy that we have back tested and forward tested. We're constantly tweaking and optimizing and making better. We are also looking to automate the strategy, something that we are working on. Hopefully we'll have done in the near future. And once that is done, any of our current patrons at the time will get a discounted version of that for a period of time. So there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend that you join us. Alright, so that's it for this video. This one is going to go on the no list, unfortunately, and we will move on to the next video from here.